So, you know, it's always a great party and a good time when the Jamaica Youth for Christ hosts Genesis Praise Fest. And here to tell us all about this staple New Year's Day event is Nadine Blair, who will be one of the MCs, and gospel artist DJ Nicholas, still keeping people fit in the gospel. One of the top acts on the lineup for the festival. Good morning.
Morning, morning.
Nice to see you both. Nicholas, I'm going to start with you. I mean, how many years have you been doing Genesis? Like Genesis,
long,
not
right?
happening without DJ Nicholas, you know.
Yeah, I was just asking my music director. I think I've been doing it from about 2005.
Yes.
Now is what, 2019, 20 exactly.
Yeah,
So
man.
that's like, years now.
Yeah, yeah. What is it about Genesis? For it to be happening for so long, and it's had many transitions. One time it got Portmore,
yes.
yeah, but now it's back to Randy Williams Entertainment Center. What is it about Genesis that makes it such a great event?
Well, one of the reasons why I like doing Genesis is because it focuses on the youth, and my ministry is youth-oriented. So it's always vibrant, a lot of young people coming out and just celebrating God together. So I love the energy, I love the youths, love God. So it has everything encompassed in one.
Yeah, before I get to Nadine, Nicholas, you're one of the people that I think would have pushed a different type of gospel music and praise. I know when it just came out, some people are, wow, this is nice. Some like, oh, when Nicholas I go with this is not gospel.
We still get a lot of that.
You still get a lot of that. But how has it been for you as an artist?
Well, God has been faithful. Like, you know, I face the reality that what I do is not the norm. You know, sometimes I feel like I'm between a rock and a hard place and a concrete wall, because I'm doing gospel that everybody don't want to hear, and then I'm doing the gospel in a form that everybody don't want to hear. But at the end of the day, I get so much testimonies from young people. The amount of messages I get of lives being changed and people impacted. Even just a while ago, one of the young persons said to me, you know, is your song Wake Me Up in the Morning? Yeah. So it shows me that after so many years, the music is still effective.
Yes,
it's not for everybody, but a lot of people out there being ministered to by it. So we just continue doing it till me old and grey. 1 and 2 grey years a show now, but we not stop. We have a whole lot more years to go.
Yes, yes. Miss Perpetual Praise is with us. Talk to me, Nadine Blair, about Genesis Praise Fest. It's going to be 2 shows.
2 shows this time. So we started in 1947.
What?
And many of us we were just a thought, or maybe not even.
Yes.
And in 1987, well, 1947 was when Jamaica Youth for Christ started, and then in 1987, in the 40th year, we decided to start Genesis. And so we've been going for a long time. So what it is about Genesis is that we cater to the youth. The theme is geared to the times, anchored to the rock. That's the Jamaica Youth for Christ. And so every year we look at where are the youth? Where is their headspace and so forth, and this is what makes it work. What also makes it work is that after church, many young people after watch night, it's New Year and celebratory feeling and so forth. They want somewhere to go. So, raps, Genesis.
That's a good thing. So this year's 2 places. It's going to be Montego Bay
Montego
tonight.
Bay. Right, well, actually tomorrow morning, but tonight.
Yes.
12 o'clock at the Montego Bay Community Center Auditorium, and will feature as a main headline Prodigal Son, Adrian Cunningham, King Arthur, and many others who will I hear that every year Montego Bay is just absolutely sold out and ready for this all-nighter.
Yes, they'll have Sherlon, who's going to be the Rising Star winner.
Yes, and the JCDC winner, right.
And JCDC. So that's going to be happening tonight. And then, well,
Kingston.
And then tomorrow night morning, we'll be in Kingston.
Yeah, no, tonight too. Same time. Same time.
So both things will be happening at the same time.
Exactly,
nice.
same time.
So tonight it's going to be at Randy Williams.
And of course DJ Nicholas will be there.
Yes, ma'am.
Jermaine Edwards, Rhoda Isabella, Kisa Peart, who has a fabulous testimony of overcoming cancer and just absolutely beautiful. Gotti, Sonny from Florida. Absolutely beautiful.
Perpetual Sound Operation. Soul Touch.
Yes.
Nadine is going to MC Ella and Markman Edwards, of course. So make sure you make your way. It's 1,500 pre-sold for adults.
Right.
1,800 at the gate. There are also VIP tickets. Look, I'm not even going to tell you the price of the ticket. Because when I look at what's happening at Genesis, them ticket price are not even enough.
It's
But
true.
Because of
And
what's
then
going to
I have
happen.
to say that all the funds go to the work of the
Of the
Jamaica
Youth for
Youth for
Christ.
Christ.
Yes.
And so it's absolutely worth it.
Yeah, man, make your way to Genesis. Wherever you are in the island,
Thank you.
DJ Nicholas is going to give us a touch of what we can expect.
Yes.
Later on, he's going to do that for us now. All right, so Genesis Praise Fest 2020, both in Montego Bay and Kingston, starting tonight, midnight to 7 a.m. Dear light will catch you, but you won't care. MC Nadine Bland, Gospel Artiste, and the Kingston lineup, DJ Nicholas, with us. After the break, we're going to talk alternatives to styrofoam ahead of the January 1st ban. But here's DJ Nicholas ahead of the break.
Cut it off.
Says, tell the enemy evacuate the premises. We tell them so we know the enemy are the nemesis. So we go, big up King Jesus all the while. TVJ, we don't know so the gospel not play. We preach it till we whole and grey. But them said loud, anything I try stop you from please God, young people, me go tell you what to do with it. So the thing go, shout, out of our belly shall flow rivers. Good to get, but blessed are the givers. When me basic alley, I tell you, say, name of God make demon shivers. So with the family or a visitors, the God of Daniel always delivers. Anything I try hold you from God, draw for your spiritual scissors and do a cut it off. Anything I try distract you, you fi cut it off. Cut. How could I internet or cable you for hold it on? Shut it off. So cut it off. Anything I try distract you, you fi cut it off. Cut. Look how long God I tell you put you where so stop from. Listen me, hear me now, sir. Listen this star. Make sure in your head the treasure star. Call me rather walk in a heaven till me sweat than go hell with me Chris car. If out a road ladies a look me, to me a artist, them a try book me. Me rather go a heaven with me one shupsy than down a hell go turn Jezebel boopsy. Father help me face the reality and a heavy movie Christian see. Rather go heaven watch black and white TV than a hell and go burn up in a 3D. Cut. Anything I try distract you feel. So cut. Look how long God I tell you put you where so stop from. So cut. Anything I try distract you feel. So cut. Look how long God I tell you. So listen what the Bible tell me, say. It's better to walk in a heaven with one hand and one foot than your entire body be cast in a hell. So the thing go. That's why we have to use the spiritual scissors. Shout, cut it off. Anything I try distract you feel. Cut it off. So cut. Look how long God I tell you put you where so stop from. Shut it off. Loud.